again. I'm Martha Sear, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and the Director of K-12 Outreach at WPI. I'm also involved with an innovative project called Mass-TEC, which is being led by Quinsigamond Community College. We're at Nipro Corporation in Clinton, Massachusetts, where we'll be talking about today's manufacturing. I'll be speaking with Navjeet Singh, Vice President of Research and Evaluation at Commonwealth Corporation, about the state of manufacturing in central Massachusetts. Navjeet, a lot of people talk about how manufacturing no longer exists in the United States and that it's moving to foreign countries. Is that actually the case, especially here in central Massachusetts?
No, that's not the case. There is a lot of manufacturing in the US and in central Massachusetts. First of all, about 12% of the gross national product is manufacturing. Then about 10% of all people are employed in manufacturing in the US, and in central Massachusetts that number is slightly higher. About 11% of all those employed work in manufacturing in central Massachusetts. Second, we are making more products today than we made a few years ago, and these products are of a higher value than a few years ago. Third, a lot of the products that are made in central Massachusetts and Massachusetts are not necessarily sold directly to consumers. For example, even here at Nipro makes insulin delivery devices as well as inhalers. Now, when consumers buy medication or buy insulin, they don't necessarily think that the insulin pump or the device itself might be made literally in their backyard. The fourth thing is that a lot of the products that are made here are very complex and complicated products. And in addition, a lot of engineering and manufacturing operations here support global manufacturing operations. Again, to take the example of Nipro, they have a mold making facility here that supplies molds to their manufacturing plants throughout the globe.
So it sounds like the companies in central Massachusetts are making the very small parts that get put into other products that companies required to have their full system or their full product put together. Is that the case?
No, that is not necessarily the case. There are a lot of technical products made in central Massachusetts, although not all are very small or tiny. For example, Intel in Hudson makes chips that are used in mobile phones, but also used in computer servers. Saint-Gobain has their largest technology operations in Northborough. And then at the same time, we have companies like Metso that make valves that go into mining equipment, paper equipment, all kinds of equipment, and some of them are extremely large. I think the key here is, again, that as you said, these are products with a lot of technology, a lot of engineering, a lot of technical input, which is also the reason why manufacturing salaries in Massachusetts are quite high. On average, manufacturing salaries are over $69,000 per year, which is much higher than the average salary in Massachusetts.
Navjeet, thank you for that information. It sounds as if it's not the small parts, but it's very technical parts that have been designed, researched, and are then produced here in Massachusetts as part of today's manufacturing. Join us later as we talk more about today's manufacturing in central Massachusetts.